1949 divided by 49. Let's make the long division sign and arrange the numbers at the right place. The dividend 1949 goes inside the long division sign and the divisor 49 comes outside. Now let's divide digit by digit. The first digit in dividend is 1 in thousands place. I will try to divide 1 by 49. But since 1 is a smaller number, I cannot divide. So I'll just put a 0 up in place of quotient. Now I will group together two digits, that is 1 and 9, 19, and try to divide it by 49. Again, 19 being a smaller number, I cannot divide. So I'll just put a 0 up in place of quotient. Now I will group together three digits, that is 194, and try to divide it by 49. Yes, this time it's a bigger number, so I can divide. Now let me do some guesswork over here and check 49 4 times. Will it give me a multiple smaller and closer to 194? Let's go to the working column and see. 49 multiplied by 4. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. So carry over 3 and write down 6. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And 16 plus 3 carry over gives me 19. So I got an answer as 196. Though I am very close to 194, I cannot take this product because I will not be able to subtract it. So I have to try and find a smaller multiple. Let's check 49 3 times now. 49 multiplied by 3. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. So carry over 2 and write down 7. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 2 carry over gives me 14. So now I got a multiple as 147, which is smaller than 194. So yes, I can use 49 3 times. I will write 3 up in place of quotient and write down 147. And now I will subtract. 4 minus 7. We cannot subtract from a smaller number. So I have to borrow from my neighbor. My neighbor to the left is 9. 9 gives away 1 and becomes 8. And 1 is carried to 4 and 1 and 4 becomes 14. Now I can subtract easily. 14 minus 7 gives me 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will try to bring down the last digit, that is 9. 479. I got a 3-digit number which I have to divide it by 49. Now students, you have to use some smart guesswork over here. You know that 49 10 times is 490, which is bigger than 479. So we should try with 49 9 times. Let's check. 49 multiplied by 9. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So I will carry over 8 and write down 1. 9 times 4 is equal to 36 and 36 plus 8 carry over gives me 44. So I got the answer as 441, which is smaller than 479. So yes, I'm going to use this. 49 9 times. I will write 9 up in place of quotient and write down 441 and subtract again. 9 minus 1 gives me 8. 7 minus 4 gives me 3. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Now there are no more digits to bring down. So I'm done with my long division. I got the answer quotient on the top as 39 and a leftover remainder of 38. Let's finally conclude the sum by writing the answers. Dividend is equal to 1949. Divisor is equal to 49. quotient on the top, the answer is equal to 39, and the leftover remainder at the bottom is equal to 38. I hope students you have understood this sum well. You have to practice more such sums in your maths notebook.